How to delete your Facebook account. Hello everyone, welcome. In this video I will show you how to delete your Facebook. Just follow me in this video till the end. First, you can use Facebook or Facebook Lite or your browser if you want. It's working the same. So for me, I prefer to use Facebook Lite. When you open Facebook, guys, you come to this three line at the corner of the screen and come to your settings. So right here on your settings, you should come to personal and account information. After this, go to access and control. You will find two options. Click on the activation and deletions and click delete account. Click continue, delete account, click continue, and finish the other step. They will tell you to write your password, of course, and that's it. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing this video. See you next video.